Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. Here on this channel, we talk about apps to make you money, how to make money online, side hustles, and personal finance. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the Cash App. Now, I've received a question asking exactly how to resolve this issue that you see on the screen here. And this can only really be resolved by reaching out to Cash App support. So rather than answering this in the comments section, I thought this would make a great video to just show y'all exactly how to do this, because you can do so inside the Cash App. So let's take a look inside the Cash App to see how can we reach out to support to answer a question or get an issue resolved. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Cash App. Then we want to go to the profile button in the top right hand corner, little person icon. Then we're going to click on support. From here, it's going to give a host of questions or scenarios that people typically ask in support, and if you find that your issue might be in one of these, feel free to click on that. But if you don't, I'm going to click on something else and then click on which one of these is the issue that you're having. Now I'm going to treat this video addressing the comment that I got, which was in regards to his card. So we're actually going to click on Cash Card. I'm going to scroll down and click on Contact Support. Then it's going to ask it's going to go through your transactions and ask which transaction you want to talk about. This isn't actually a transaction that we're addressing, so I'm going to click on Not About a Transaction. So once you're at this screen, this is basically Cash App asking how can they reach you so that they can get in communication with you about whatever your issue actually is. Now, keep in mind that what you see inside the app is going to vary depending on which one of the issues you're having, like are you having trouble sending a payment or receiving a payment, etc. And if there's a way to solve that issue within the app, like they've written an article for it that's already addressing it, then feel free to click on that. But if that's not the case, you're going to find yourself inevitably at this screen. So you just let them know what is the best way to contact you. In most cases, it's going to be email. That's going to be the option. Sometimes it may have the option of being a phone number, but most cases it's going to be emails. So initially it's going to assume that the email that your account is associated with is a good email to reach out to you. But if it's not, you just click on email, then it's going to ask you what is a good email for them to reach out to you. And when they do reach out to you, that's where you just let them know the situation that you're having so that they can solve it for you or point you in the right direction of what you need to do. So for the viewer that asked the question as far as the payment not going through on your card, you can send Cash App support that information via email, and then they can help you from there. Now, for those of y'all that actually want a number to actually call to get an issue resolved, that number for Cash App is on the screen, but it should be noted that this isn't a number that you're going to call to talk to an actual human being. It's going to walk you through the process of resolving certain issues. If you've already done that and it's not working, chances are that it's going to tell you to email them or send them a live chat through the Cash App app. So just keep that in mind when calling this number. Don't put your expectations on actually talking to someone, because as of right now, they don't have a number like that. This is just to point you in the right direction of what you need to do next. And there we have it. This is how you contact the Cash App support. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and consider subscribing if you're new. If you want more updates as far as how to navigate the Cash App or personal finance and side hustles in general. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.